One way that we can combine functions is actually taking the output of one function and using it as the input of the other function. And that is what we call function composition. So given two functions f and g, the composite function f composed with g, this little circle is read composed with. So f composed with g is defined by this. F composed with g of x is equal to f of g of x. Now I'm going to draw a little picture here so that we can kind of get an idea of that. So I'm going to just draw the domains of these functions. So I've got, say, f, okay, and f goes from this to, or sorry, g goes from this to this, and then f goes from that to something else. And so what we're going to then look at is, some x over here will be sent to something over here. We'll call it g of x. Okay, and this is g that does that. And then f will take that, okay, and send it to something over here. And that is, of course, f of g of x. And so this composition takes this x and just shoots it over to this point right here, okay? And this is f composed with g, okay? So that's what's happening here with the composition. Now one kind of confusing thing for a lot of people when they see this for the first time to be aware of is that the order here kind of throws people off because we're used to reading from left to right, okay, f, g. However, the function composition, the way the actual functions happen to the input is from right to left. So we can see here that the first thing that happens to x is g, and then we do f to it, all right? So be aware of that, that ordering that kind of throws some people off.